All right, April 8th, 2025. I have here a 4 gig Xbox 360 Slim. It was gifted to me back in 2010 or 2011 for Christmas. I'm not a big gamer, so I haven't used it much. But I was feeling kind of nostalgic lately. Uh, I was a big fan of Halo when it first came out, and I just wanted to, play some of the old stuff. Just to relive it, I guess. So, pardon the mess over here, but so I managed to score original Xbox Halo 2 on eBay for a few bucks, shipped. And of course, I'm not a big techie like a lot of you guys out there. I'm 50 years old now, so I don't play with this stuff anymore. But when I loaded the game in there, I got a little notice that said that I couldn't play the game. Let me see. So that's what came up. So when I looked into this, I found a video made by a user here on YouTube. 616 PC Repair is his channel name. And pretty much follow his guidance, and I got mine to work. So what I did was, oh, the controller's acting up. I got one of these little cases here off of eBay. This was like 10 bucks shipped. And I managed to source an old Xbox 360 hard drive for one of the other models. This one's a 120 gig. Took it apart, took all the guts apart. It's just an empty shell now. All this is pretty much garbage now. And I've got the drive inside this case. So I'm going to turn this off real quick. And just as it was presented in the video I was talking about, so you can see the expansion port there. This it was a Hitachi drive that was inside the case for the other 360. So I put this in. Didn't hear it click, but I felt it click. Then we'll turn this back on. Turn on the controller here. Now I've already formatted the drive, and it required some kind of update for the game, but I already got that out of the way. But I just wanted to show this real quick. I don't do videos much anymore, but I was just doing all this for fun, and like I said, I just wanted to play Halo 2 again. I've already got the old Anniversary Edition and Reach, and what was the other one? ODST. But yeah, a problem occurred. What? Can't sign in. Select A, play Halo 2. So the old Xbox logo is up. And it comes up now. Thanks to 616 PC Repair.